December 2 is observed as Computer Literacy Day. India has announced new computer policy in 1984. First computer made in India is Siddharth, which was manufactured by Electronics Corporation of India. First computer in India was installed in the main post office at Bangalore on August 16, 1986. First pollution-free computerized petrol pump of India is in Mumbai. First computer university in private sector in India is Rajiv Gandhi Computer University. Bangalore, now Bengaluru, is also known as the Silicon Valley of India. First Indian newspaper to be available on internet is the Hindu. First Indian magazine to be available on internet is India Today.